Hey, how's it going there, YouTube? I'm outside because it's loud in the shop. Anyway, here's a really quick video that I think can help a lot of you guys instantly fix some of your problems that you're having welding. I taught for 8 years, and one of the duties that I had was also doing like a community hobby welding workshop thing on Saturdays. And I'd say 50% of the people that I taught needed to follow 3 simple things, okay? Get close, slow down, and relax, okay? We can get into different videos later. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. I promise I'm gonna make new videos and just kind of show some basic welding techniques, basic fab techniques. I'm not gonna get into too much explanation with this. It's gonna be really quick, and I'm just gonna demonstrate something really fast that'll probably help most of you. All right, here we go. All right, here we are in the shop. So once again, we're just doing something really quick. I'm just gonna use solid wire MIG. So most people, I find, they're too far away, okay? You gotta get close, you gotta keep close. It's about arc gap, okay? Don't go crazy fast. You gotta slow down. And third and most important, you have to relax, okay? You've already taken time to make sure that everything is fine here, okay? So when you don't do that, what you get is the popcorn weld. That's what this looks like. Here you go. See that? The popcorn weld. Now the sad thing is that'll actually stick in a lot of applications, but it looks bad. So watch this. Same setting, I'm not changing anything. I'm just gonna get close and I'm gonna slow down and I'm gonna relax. Watch. Pretty big difference, I think, right? All right, now watch this. Just to demonstrate it, check this out. So we're gonna start close, it's gonna start right, and then slowly what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull away, okay? And that also can happen if you turn the gun instead of moving along with it. Here, let's see that. Here, I'm gonna just put a shield up, see if we can watch it and capture it. You'll definitely be able to hear it. No mistake in that. Here we go. Okay. From there you can see we started slow, right? Or excuse me, started nice and close. Then as I started to kind of pull away, you can see the bead profile gets kind of nasty. And then again at the end, I got close. Okay, so again, we're gonna do some other videos. Please subscribe. Let me know if there's anything that you'd like to specifically see in the comments. All right. All right, so as you saw, it's really important to stay close. It gives you the proper arc gap, and also it lets that shielding gas do what it's supposed to do. Slowing down assures that you're gonna get nice buildup, good penetration. Of course, all these things, there's little subtle things with wire speed and heat, but we'll do that in other videos. I've also got some cheap machines, some things that I can, we're gonna show you how to use, you know, the cheapy machines that everybody seems to go and get at Harbor Freight. If there's something that you'd like to see specifically, please leave it in the comments. subscribe, hit your notification bell, and I will see you soon.